Hi everyone. So this short video will give you details on the 1-4 activity for advertisements. So here you have the prompt for the assignment. This assignment is asking for you to choose 4 advertisements, and you're going to be working with these ads throughout the remainder of the course. You can use the link that's provided here and take all 4 ads from this link, or you can choose the ads yourself. You can use print ads, video ads, radio ads. They can all be from one category. They can be from many categories. The only criteria is that you're looking for ads that display interactions between people or conveys ways that the product or service advertised will impact or influence people. That's it. So if you choose from the list, that's already been decided for you. If you choose from outside the list, you just need to make sure it meets that criteria. So when we're talking about the list, here is actually what that list looks like. It's a portion of that list. It's the beginning of it. So you know you've got the different categories, you've got the types. So you can choose from this list or you can choose ones of your own. Now, if you do choose ones of your own, please be sure that you're providing the URL for the ad. If you choose these, you do not need to do that. You just need to give the title. So for example, you could put Colgate Sink Child, and then I would know this was the ad that you were referencing. Now, once you have chosen your 4 ads, you are going to enter those ads into a Word document. And then this is what you will upload. So this is the assignment sample that is provided with the announcement. So please note that you are not going ahead and using that template for the 1-5 assignment. This assignment is just asking for a list of the 4 ads. That's all. If you submit the 1-5 template, it will not be accepted. You are only submitting the list of the 4 advertisements, just like you see in the sample assignment. So if there are any issues with any of your ads, you will be able to resubmit this assignment for credit right up until the end of week 2. After that, this assignment will not be accepted for credit again. Your grade will stand. So please make sure you're checking the feedback and making any necessary corrections. This assignment is due by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday of week 1. So again, I'm going to just kind of go back and recap one more time. Make sure that you are only submitting those 4 advertisements. You're not submitting any additional details, just those 4 advertisements, and you are not using the template for this assignment. It is only your list of 4 advertisements. So please let me know if you have any questions. You can email me or post those questions right in that general questions discussion board. Thanks for watching.